Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And this case is made by Caseology. It's the Athlex case. I think that's how you pronounce that. Now we're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at this. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Caseology Athlex case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. All right, military grade drop protection. It's the active black. Here's a picture of it right there. You can see some other pictures there as well. Now, the last time I bought one of these cases, it was really thick and I didn't like it. And that was for the, I think it was for the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, I didn't buy one for the 8 Pro, but I'm going to check this one out for the 9 Pro XL and see how it looks. All right, $15.99 on Prime. You do have some extra savings there. You can check out if you want to. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. All right, let's take this out of the box. Easy pull tab right here. Easy to take it out. Okay, you got a plastic wrapper there. We'll go ahead and take this out. You got some other, you got a cleaning kit in there. You won't need that. But here's the case. You got this kind of fancy pattern inside right there. And this O right here is not magnetic, but it almost suggests it does, but it's not magnetic. You have this this kind of card like pattern on the back where it's separated with these indentions right here. And it's got a grippy feel in the back. The side is grippy as well. And you got this kind of detail in the middle, which is kind of a little shiny insert right there. The buttons, you get the power button and your volume down rocker is kind of open. Cameras, it's got a raised area right there, so it's going to be covered up. And it's clean on this side right here, except for the Caseology branding. See that right there? And this little indentation there. That kind of, you got your charging port, mic hole, and your speaker port right there. And you got a mic hole right there as well. But other than that, that's all that's on the case. All right. Now, if, like I said, it feels, it's pretty grippy, it's kind of flexible. All right, but we're going to get the Pixel 9 Pro XL and put the case on and see how it looks. Okay, so we got the Pixel 9 Pro XL right here. We're going to put it inside the case and see how it looks. Now the case has got a nice fit. It fits nice and snug. And you got that grip, all right? Now, it looks good as well. You can see the camera area is covered right there, so you don't have to worry about that. You got this grippy pattern on the back, so you're gonna feel secure in your hand. The sides are grippy as well. You got this material on the side. You can hear that, but it's got nice grip. Power button and the volume down button works pretty well. All your ports line up right there. You can see that. Mic hole, top and bottom. And you can see the lip right there, right? So it's got a little bit of a lip, but not too much that's too intrusive. The case feels like it's going to be protective, but not too bulky. All right, I like it. It's great grip, great grip. If you're a person that drops your phone, this is the case you want right here, right? I just wish this was magnetic. This would be great. But that's what it looks like right there. All right. See the camera? Okay, so we're going to check out wireless charge, see how that works for this case right here. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's put it on. Wireless charge pops up, no problem. Let's stand it up, see what happens when we do that. Picks up wireless charge right there as well. Let's lay it down on the side, see what happens when we do that as well. So it picks up the charge as well. All right, no problem with wireless charge. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Athlex case, the active case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, made by Caseology. Great case, nice grip, looks good as well, and it feels good in the hand, all right? So if you want something with good grip, great, excellent grip, this is the case for you. Not too bulky. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it, all right? Now, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.